In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit WhatsApp messages on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So guys, let's start with the iPhone, and now I'm gonna send a message here to that conversation, and once we've sent a message, in 15 minutes we are able to make a changes so we can edit that message. And to do that on an iPhone, we need just to long press at this message, hit edit, and after that we'll be able to change these messages text in any way we want. To apply the changes, hit add send. As you can see, the message has been edited, and down below here it marked as edited. That's how we can edit messages on an iPhone. On an Android, the process is almost the same, but it's slightly different. So now I'm gonna send a message to that conversation, and now we can easily edit this message as well. To do that, we need to long press on it, and then we need to tap right here at the very top right corner at these three dots and select edit. After that, we'll be able to edit a message in the same way. To apply the changes, tap at this check mark. It says that this message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp. So guys, if for some reason you are not able to edit messages on WhatsApp, I recommend you to head over to the App Store on an iPhone or to the Play Store on an Android, and that's where you need to get the latest WhatsApp version. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.